As I started to use the shaving machine, it was so close your eyes properly when you are spraying this up. What's up guys, my name is Asan and welcome to my channel. And guys, today I grabbed 6 products from the Bombay Shaving Company for only 999 rupees. So how did I get such a crazy deal? Is it actually a steal or just a clever packaging? We'll find that out further in this video guys. So it is going to be a very interesting video. So see that you like the video now only. And guys, once you hit that like button, you will see a new option there saying hype. Press that hype button as well guys and support me because it is absolutely free. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's start the video. Welcome back guys. So here's the deal. I found this crazy offer through Zomato where I could pick any 6 items from 12 items by Bombay Shaving Company. And I had to pay only 999 rupees guys. No subscription, no hidden charges, just one-time grooming combo box. I got mine delivered few days back. So what are the 6 items that I chose? We'll see that further in this video. But now comes the real question. Are these products actually worth it? So we are going to find that out in this video. So without any further ado, let's open this box and let's see what is inside. So come close and let's open the box. So as you guys can see, this is the package. So let's open the package quickly and let's see what is inside. One thing I like about this Bombay Shaving Company is that their products look premium. So I'm hoping that the product that I have ordered will also have premium finish to it guys. So the first thing that comes out from the box is the Sensi Smart 3 shaving machine, and the blade system that they have on this machine has 3 blades on it, and the actual cost of this machine is 149 rupees. So let's see guys how much all these products would actually cost me. Then the next thing that comes out from the box is I have ordered some extra blades because I don't want to go to the market again and again to purchase this machine and blades guys. Now this pack comes with 4 blades and the actual cost of this pack is 249 rupees. So the total becomes 398 rupees. The next thing that I had selected is this aftershave lotion. I wanted the entire shaving kit guys. So I selected everything which was related to shaving. Now the actual cost of this aftershave lotion is 295 rupees. So the grand total becomes 693 rupees. Now guys, inside of this aftershave lotion, they say that there is turmeric and sandalwood. We'll open everything guys, don't worry about it, and we'll actually test the products as well. So keep watching the video. So the next thing that I selected was this charcoal shaving foam which comes with 33% extra. The actual cost of this foam is 245 rupees. So the grand total becomes 938 rupees. So we will test this foam out guys, don't worry about it. And the next thing that I selected is this post shave balm. Now this balm comes with 0% alcohol and 100% soothing. The actual cost of this balm is 395 rupees. So the total comes to 1333 rupees guys. There is still one more thing left, and the last thing that I selected was this Valeno perfume. I don't know how it will smell, I'm just trying it out, and the actual cost of this perfume is 1495 rupees. So the total cost of all these products comes to 2828 rupees. Now guys, I don't know if I should trust these MRPs. I will try to put the links of all these products on the screen here or in the description. You can definitely go there and check it out by yourself if you are interested in them. So now we will quickly open all the boxes and we'll see what is inside. So first I'll open this shaving machine box, and as I open the box, here comes out the shaving machine. It has this nice green color on it. As you guys can see, this is a green button guys which will eject the blade, and the blade comes with this plastic cover. As you guys can see, after using it, you can cover it again and keep it. If you push this green button on top, then the blade will get released, as you guys can see, and by keeping it pushed on top, you can insert the new blade. So this is the shaving machine. Then I will open the shaving foam cap, and as I open the shaving foam cap, as you guys can see, it is written here, shake well before use, and it has this pump. So the next I will open this box which has all the blades, and as you guys can see there are 4 blades inside, so we'll keep them aside for now. Then I will open the balm, and it comes sealed like this, so I will have to tear the plastic to open this balm. and as I opened it, as you guys can see, it is like a cream inside of the tube, guys. Then I will take out my aftershave lotion, and the aftershave lotion comes in this nice bottle. See how nice this bottle looks like, guys. And when I sprayed this lotion, it has a sandalwood and turmeric type of smell. So we will test this out in this video, guys, so don't worry about it. The last thing that I will open is the perfume. And as I took out the perfume, as you guys can see, this is the perfume, and the bottle of the perfume did not look that premium, but I will try to spray the perfume and check the smell. And when I sprayed, guys, it opens with an enticing swirl of cardamom and nutmeg, elevated by crisp elegance of fresh neroli. But I don't know how long this smell will last, guys. So guys, now it's time to test these products. Now because of these products, I did not shave for few days, guys. I had to grow my beard a little bit so that I can demonstrate to you guys. So as you guys can see, I have some beard, so I will shave now. So before I shave, I will wet my face, then I will shake this shaving foam a little bit because that is what they recommend, and then I will take a little bit amount of shaving foam on my fingers like this. Now this is actually a lot amount of foam, guys, that I have taken here, but now I will apply it all over my face, guys. You can even apply it with the help of a shaving brush, but at the moment I don't have a shaving brush with me now, so I will apply it directly. So once I apply the shaving foam, I have a habit of waiting for around 2-3 minutes so that the beard will turn little bit soft, and then I can shave it off very easily. So now I will open my new shaving machine and I will start with my shaving process, guys. As I started to use the shaving machine, it was very smooth, guys, and I was getting a nice soothing sensation. I don't know if it is because of the foam or because of the machine, but I was definitely experiencing that. The shaving machine was nice and easy on the skin. As you guys can see, I'm done doing on one side. Now I'll go on the other side. Now if your beard is long, then you might have to do multiple passes, guys, but the blade is crisp and I could nicely give shape for my sideburns. You guys can see that here. Now if you guys have ever used Bombay Shaving Company products, then do let us know in the comment section below, guys. Do share your experience with it. Did you like it or you didn't like it? We are open for suggestions here, guys. Just because I am saying this product is good, you might have had a bad experience with it. Now whatever I share in my videos, I try them out on myself first. You guys know that already. I try the product, I test it to the limits, and then only I recommend it to you guys. But even after doing all of that, not all products are suitable for everyone, guys. But without trying, you won't know which product is best for you. So if you have ever used a Bombay Shaving Company product, then comment below, guys, and do share your experience. Doesn't matter if it is good or bad, because everybody should benefit from these videos, guys. Now I'm done on both the sides, guys, and the only part which remains is the toughest part, which is the chin part. Now the machine has very good flexibility in my opinion, and while shaving under the chin, I have to do cross shaving like this because that is the side where my growth is, and then I will give a final touch of wherever if I have missed. Now as you are shaving, it really gives you that soothing effect, guys. So here I am done with my shaving. I will rinse my face now. Now while rinsing your face, see that you use cold water, because when you do that, all your open pores get closed, guys. And then lightly dab your face with towel, dry your face, and once you dry your face, now it's time to use the aftershave lotion, guys. Now this aftershave lotion is like a spray, so I will spray this lotion on my face like this. Now when you are doing this, see that you close your eyes, otherwise this spray can go in your eyes and you can burn your eyes, guys. So close your eyes properly when you are spraying this aftershave lotion. Now guys, when I sprayed this aftershave lotion, it really kind of burned my face, so it means that this aftershave lotion is working. That is what exactly it should do, guys, because when you shave, tiny scratches are formed on your face. So the aftershave lotion will soothe, disinfect and hydrate the skin after shaving, and it also helps in reducing the redness, guys, and the irritation, and also the risk of any infection from minor cuts. And guys, additionally it can close the pores, which will prevent your ingrown hairs, and to add to it, it will add a pleasant fragrance. The next thing that I will put on my face is this balm. Now the difference between the balm and the aftershave lotion is the balm helps to replenish moisture lost during shaving and can contain ingredients that minimizes the risk of infection from minor cuts. So the aftershave lotion can dry your skin, but the balm can moisturize your skin. Feel truly refreshed, guys. So from now on, my shaving experience is going to be amazing. What about yours? So there you have it, guys. After using these products for a few days now, I'll be very honest, some of the products really do feel premium. and at the price that you are getting them, they are really worth it. That is what I feel, guys. Now, everything that I have used in this video, I will try to put a link of all those products in the description or on the screen here. You can definitely go there and check all of them out. Check out the real price, how much these products actually cost, because I think I got a good deal, especially if you want to do grooming without spending much. So I want your opinion, guys. What do you think about it? Do you think paying 999 rupees for all these products worth it? Let me know in the comment section below, guys. And if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Raisen Fernandez signing out until we meet again. And remember to press that hype button.